And we have some breaking inputs coming in, a reaction from Kamal Haasan. This time the MNM chief has now said that he will speak with Rajinikanth once he is back in Chennai over his decision on politics, adding that he's disappointed by Rajini's decision, but his health is of utmost importance personally to him. Let's go across to my colleague Apurva as well, joining us with more on this. Apurva, the one constant question that was asked to Kamal Haasan, that whether or not he and Rajinikanth might come together politically, but now his reaction on the same, stating that he is disappointed like all his fans, but at the same time personally his health is important to him.
Well, that's right. In fact, Kamal Haasan had already, he had been stating that he is ready to join alliance with Rajini if the superstar does decide to launch his political party. And now with the superstar having released a statement saying that he will not be entering into the political arena of Tamil Nadu, Kamal Haasan's first reaction, in fact, is that, he stated, my Rajini should be well in health. That is my first priority. That is, his health is important to me personally, is what Kamal Haasan has said. In fact, he said that once all this election campaigning is done, he will personally go and meet with the superstar at his Poise Gardens residence once he lands back in Chennai, is what Kamal Haasan said. Remember, there had already been a green signal from Kamal Haasan's side saying that yes, we will be joining an alliance if our ideologies meet, and most likely if our ideologies meet, our parties will align, is what Kamal Haasan had said. But he also in this statement that he had said today, he said that he is disappointed, but he is disappointed just like several other fans, is what he says. He says, I am also just a fan, just like several others, and this decision that Rajini has announced is disappointing, but we also need to look into his health condition, is what Kamal Haasan had said. The Makkal Neethi Mayyam chief actor turned politician had, even long back when Rajini was admitted at Apollo, had also stated that his health comes first, and that is why, there had been delays in Rajini announcing his political announcement, is what he had said earlier as well. He had already constantly been in touch with Rajinikanth, and Kamal, in fact, used to keep saying that we are just one phone call away from each other. We will take a decision when the time is right, but right now his health is my main concern, is what Kamal had reiterated back then. And today, also while addressing the media, he in fact reiterated the same, saying that Rajini should be well. He said, my Rajini should be well, and that is something that we need to look into. Kamal is definitely expected to be visiting back here in Chennai and visiting Rajini at his Poise Gardens residence. And what will be discussed from that meeting is something that we will need to wait and watch, because Kamal Haasan has also said that that's all I can say for now. All of the rest of the details will be discussed after I meet with Rajinikanth, is what he had said. So we will have to wait and see what will be the talks that will take place between Kamal Haasan and Rajinikanth once he gets back to Chennai and visits Rajinikanth, and if there is going to be still a question mark that lies.
All right, so the latest reaction coming in, and as my colleague Apurva has been stating, reactions coming in from across several political leaders as well as his fans as well. In fact, Apurva, we have seen as to how the reaction, and that's what even Rajinikanth mentioned in that letter he released, stating that as to how he knows that his fans and his party members might be disappointed, but he cannot be untruthful in his own stand, and his health is also of utmost important. Reiterating from what exactly he said in his letter when he made that big announcement.
Well, in fact, Rajinikanth, in the statement that he had released today, it's a 3-page statement that he had released. And even in that statement, he has talked about the importance of his health, and how, he had already been warned by his medical team that he needs to not go into public arenas. In fact, Rajinikanth says that he will not be doing full work in his complete, utmost honest work in politics if he is not able to enter into the political arena. In fact, in the letter, in the statement that Rajinikanth had released, he said that doing social media campaign will not make me achieve the desired effect that I want to bring the change in the people ahead of the elections. Any politician in this land knows that's the truth, and that is why, because I will not be able to completely handle my complete duties as a politician, I step back from entering into the political arena, is what Rajinikanth had said. In fact, in the statement, he also said that he is nobody other than him is deeply remorse that he is not joining the political arena. In fact, he says that he is sorry and apologizes profusely to his fans and followers and cadres of Rajni Makkal Mandram, where he says that I am deeply sorry that I am not able to start a political party. He also, although says that he will do whatever he can in his power to ensure that he does welfare, good for the welfare of the people of Tamil Nadu. So if he is going to be, how he is going to be doing that is something that we will need to yet see. But as of the moment, Rajinikanth has said that he will be taking a step back from politics owing to his health condition.
Thank you, Apurva, for getting us that update. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.